We arrived the 21st of January 1994. And it's interesting because this year, on the 21st of January, the other day, we've actually been half of our life in Denmark and now half of our life here in Australia. And we're soon to get dual citizenship. So I'm proud to call myself an Australian as well. So I'm really excited about that. So we started in Brisbane with very little. I just had my massage table and started massaging. So this was end of January, and mid-April I already had, I think, 14 students that I taught. And so I didn't have enough massage tables, and I said, oh no, what am I going to do? And my husband said, don't worry, I'll make you one. So he started making massage tables. He was working as an engineer and realized that what I was doing was really successful. So he joined me and became the office angel, as we call it, and made the massage tables. And then we bought a van so that we could rent other people's venues. And we drove around Australia, and we packed the car for a few days, drove in, emptied the car with massage tables and music gear. He went out shopping, came back, set up camp with food and cooked up for a few days, drove home. I would run the show for about a week, and then he would come back and we would pack it all up again. And we did that for about 10 years, and that was enough. And then we decided, let's do something, and then we found this place in Ken, and it's a really powerful place in sacred land, we call it. The Kapis are around, and we feel very honoured that we are in a space where the Aborigine ancestor spirits are alive. It's part of us. We are very holistic in our approach to just about everything we do.